That did take a while, though. Ah. A bit, but I like it.
You know, it's there.
It's so funny. I just saw. Was that a live reaction to my burp right there? Can you save the live stream? No. Can you guys hear this? Quinine. That was not for Quinine. I was gonna ask Quinine a question. What are you talking about? Oh. Oh yeah. Woo! Smells like broccolini. Motherfuckers. Oh, got it, denial. Got. Lots of OF models hype. Ears are on the wrong side. It's all. Yes. Wrong part. Oh, my top dollar, you're moving. Bang. Oh my. I'm not wearing any clothes.